My loyal warriors and nobles, the destiny of our kingdom rests on our courage and unity.
Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan. Beginning. The Swayamvara Assembly. This is a grand Swayamvara hall. Many great kings and emperors of India are seated in a single line. The princess, holding a pearl garland in her hands, walks forward slowly. She looks at each king's face, but the garland falls on none. Silence spreads across the hall. Surprise appears on her father's face, and one question fills every mind. Who is worthy of this garland? The turning point, near the door. Just then, the princess walks straight towards the entrance of the Swayamvara hall, towards a statue standing like a guard at the doorway. He stands still like stone. In a moment no one expects, she places the garland on the statue. The entire assembly is stunned. At that very moment, the statue comes alive. The revelation of the king. He steps forward, holds the princess's hand, and in a single swift movement seats her on the horse. The horse gallops at great speed. The camera slowly zooms in on the king's face. Title: The Great Prithviraj Chauhan. The bravery of Prithviraj. Prithviraj was not born from fear. He was raised on the battlefields of Ajmer and Delhi. In 1178 CE, near Anhilwada Patan in Gujarat, when Muhammad Ghori attacked, the warrior who stopped his army was Prithviraj Chauhan. At just 16 years of age, even before becoming a crown prince, he made enemy armies taste defeat. He was not only powerful, like Arjuna, the warrior of the three worlds, he was a Shabdavedi archer. The rare ability to release arrows guided only by sound. Unshaken focus even in darkness. Unyielding courage even in war. A dignity that never bowed to arrogance. A spirit that never bowed to defeat. A warrior who did not lose courage even after losing his eyes. One of the most painful chapters of history. In 1192 CE, after the second battle of Tarain, Prithviraj was captured. Even when the enemy took his eyes, they could not take his courage. Though blind, the archer who could strike by sound remained alive within him. The body was imprisoned, but the spirit remained free. Love and respect. It was his valor that won the princess's heart. It was not just love, it was respect. What she saw was not merely a king, but a warrior of Dharma. Why he was not invited to the Swayamvara? Because of fear, because of arrogance, because of political jealousy. To insult him, he was made to stand like a statue at the entrance of the Swayamvara hall. It was meant as humiliation, but for history it became a turning point. The silent answer. The princess did not speak, but her choice was clear. The garland placed on the statue was her answer to arrogance. Final scene. Now, both ride away together on the same horse. The camera slowly pulls back. Final moral, golden shining letters. Arrogance creates humiliation. Courage creates history. The light slowly fades, the screen blurs into darkness.